What up, though? It's the Creator back at you with another reaction video. Told y'all all about my HBCU appreciation, so we're going to keep it rolling, man. This one is Norfolk State University's Drumline $1 Million Funk Squad versus Virginia State University's Drumline. Drumline battles, baby. I love my percussion, so let's not talk no more, man. Let's just see how these dudes sound. Let's do it. Gotta hear it all the way. Ton of basses, man. That's impressive. That is impressive. There's not a lot of ton of basses in HBCUs. They usually be in white colleges, the two bands. You know what I'm saying? So these guys, they're about precision, synchronicity, and I like that type of shit. Snares and quads, they kind of playing the same cadence. They also basically some white collar type shit. Let's see how they trying to do it. Y'all funk squad, fuck it up. But I love they wrist work, the heights of the sticks that lets you know, the act, like whether it's gonna be accents or not. It's the performance of within those. I like that. All right, chest temps. I see y'all rocking. Oh, my bad. That's Virginia. That's Virginia State. That was nice.
What do? We get butt naked.
All right, funk squad. Called the funk squad for a reason. Get funky then. I see y'all symbols. Alright, tunnel basses, I hear y'all. Rolls in this sequence from the tunnel basses is fire. Those 5 quads, all the synchronicity. I like that. Woo, I see y'all basses lining like that. They in line grooving to a different, like that's fire. Fire. They ain't gotta play with their rhythm, and the tunnel bass gotta do different rhythms between that. That is firework. Come on, quads, I hear y'all. What? Another one. Y'all doing too much basses. Low. Take a low then. The snares they part.
Put your money where your mouth is.
Right? Man, see here how low the tunnel bass is going, not taking much attention to what these snares are doing. And even the quads. The targets on the snares are how they chopping right now. Great crescendo. Man, you gotta give it up. The 4 tunnel basses right now, they are killing it. That goes to the Funk Squad. That was a short ass cadence to fight with anyway. All right, VSU, what y'all got? Better have a longer cadence. Better have something, man. They went crazy. Bobbing heads. Yeah, Spartan Legion marching band video guys. They don't give a fuck about being multi-angled against VSU. You saw how they was targeting all the spots and highlights in the cadences of Norfolk. They ain't doing nothing with the VSU drum line. But gotta look and listen. Come on, man. Just gonna split legs, bob heads, part legs rather. Night. All right, quad, screw. See the difference, you can see already the difference between VSU and Funk Squad. Much more showmanship along with the synchronicity and the precision. See VSU, they doing some things. Chest centers, you see them grooving, I see y'all. But the basses, man, what's up, tunnel basses? Y'all doing some shit, but y'all ain't doing no shit. Come on now. That's all the groove y'all got, VSU? Oh man, ain't it one long enough? Still one long enough. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Woo! I just like how they started low and went up already off the bat. Tunnel bases, bro, I'm telling you. I sidestep them all. Come on, snares. And quads. Be like Z, you know what I'm saying? Like, all y'all got 20s? If it ain't about money, we don't give a hoot. Hey, we in college, you can't say the F-bomb on public. Let's go. I like that. I see y'all bases. Alright, snares. Could have been a little bit cleaner. Out-grooving these guys, man. They're really out-grooving these dudes. Like I said, along with the precision and synchronicity of the sound that Funk Squad got right now compared to VSU, they outdoing these dudes right now. Oh, what the? Oh, shit. I see y'all, Z's. They get too funky right now. They ain't as funky as Soul Section #1, but this is funky right now. Yeah, I think the Z's, I don't think all of them 20s. But, not gonna discriminate. What the hell? The Hesse knee drop. Hey, I think it's safe to say, Funk Squad got that one, man. But that's all the time I got for this battle. Big ups to VSU. Major big ups to Norfolk State University, Spartan Legion Marching Band, specifically to the $1 Million Funk Squad. I wonder if we faced y'all in between the times I've been gone from Kentucky State. Nonetheless, I'm out this bitch like Newborn Puppies. Enjoy your day. Peace.